to see you in there.
Take 27. Just installed the 5th lithium battery. Everything went well. Cable was just long enough. The negative cable, because you have to keep all the cables the same length. So if you expand your battery afterwards, you better hope your cable lengths will get to the new battery. Still playing with solar. Right now it is working as it should.
No.
Yes. So a couple
AC tonight?
There could be some AC tonight. Yeah! Because we have a battery bank. So we went.
And where are we going to be tonight?
We're going to the Berries. So should be a motor across to the Berries. Not much wind today. I would like to change that wind meter maybe this evening on anchor, and then hang out for 4 or 5 days in the Berries, or a bit longer. See when the weather forces us back to Nassau here. So we have 1,000 amp hours of battery now, 12 volt instead of 800. So we increased it 33%. I think that's the math.
Are you happy about that, Rubles?
Sweet. Let's carry on.
I'm happy to share footage from our trip to the Berries, but first, here's a recap of our last 2 weeks running through the Exumas.
Don't forget about this guy.
We had a glassy 40-mile passage from Nassau to the Berry Islands, a chain that consists of over 100 islands that is known as the Fishbowl of the Bahamas. We pulled into Soldier Key and enjoyed the most beautiful sunset.
A minute 33 for a 100-meter swim.
Where?
Come on.
Oh my gosh, yeah!
For real?
Yeah, for real.
I knew I had to get out of the water.
That close to shore?
Yeah, they're literally right there.
Did that scare him?
Oh, Char. You go get the snooba and look? You guys are ready to head back?
Look off into the sunset. Okay, don't do that. Just stand normally. I need you to do that again. That was a really good picture, but this got in the way. It has some very good potential for a very good picture.
Really?
Yes. And look at this.
Oh, wow.
And I got other ones. This one gets erased. This one stays. This one stays. That's a good picture.
Watch. Can I stop moving? Can you put the rubber back?
It's
To the blue hole. It's I'm guessing a big hole. It goes down to like 100 feet. And then there's like a thing that you can jump off of that's like 20 feet high.
You'll be too scared to do that.
No, what? No.
You'll be too scared.
I'm not scared. I'm excited. I'm gonna do death diving.
You just have to scare the snakes away. I really don't like snakes, so these little forest hikes, not my fave.
We go down to